Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 21st, 2026, and we're diving into Johnson & Johnson's fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Johnson & Johnson has had a remarkable year, and I'm excited to break down their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Johnson & Johnson reported a fourth quarter revenue of $24.6 billion, marking a 9.1% increase. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong performance in their innovative medicine and medtech segments. Innovative medicine saw a 10% increase, while medtech grew by 7.5%. This was supported by new product approvals and strategic acquisitions, such as Halda Therapeutics, which contributed to their operational growth.
And how about their profitability?
Johnson & Johnson's adjusted EPS for the quarter was $2.46, slightly below the analyst's forecast of $2.49. However, their net earnings grew by an impressive 49.1%, reflecting strong operational efficiencies and cost management.
Strategic initiatives and innovations. Johnson & Johnson has been quite active on the innovation front. Can you tell us more about their strategic initiatives?
Certainly. Johnson & Johnson has made significant strides with new product approvals, including Caplita for major depressive disorder and Rybrevant Faspro for non-small cell lung cancer. They've also submitted the Ottava robotic surgical system for approval, which could be a game-changer in surgical technology. Additionally, the acquisition of Halda Therapeutics is expected to bolster their oncology pipeline.
It sounds like they're positioning themselves strongly for future growth.
Indeed, these initiatives are not only expanding their product portfolio, but also enhancing their competitive edge in key therapeutic areas.
Guidance and future outlook. Looking ahead, what guidance has Johnson & Johnson provided for 2026?
For 2026, Johnson & Johnson has issued a revenue guidance of $100.5 billion, representing a 6.7% growth at the midpoint. They also project an adjusted EPS of $11.53, which is a 6.9% increase. The company expects continued growth in their oncology, immunology, and neuroscience segments to drive these results.
That's quite optimistic. What are the potential risks they might face?
While the outlook is strong, they do face risks such as competitive pressures, regulatory challenges, and potential impacts from currency fluctuations. However, their diversified portfolio and strong pipeline should help mitigate these risks.